Just getting the chicken ready for the sun oven tomorrow. Getting some
celery, carrots, lemon.
We used a mortar and pestle. And what spices did you grind up?
Salt, pepper, oregano, poultry seasoning, homemade poultry seasoning, and store-bought poultry seasoning.
Awesome.
Time to cook dinner.
Time to cook dinner. We haven't even had breakfast yet. It's time to cook dinner.
Well, it might be lunch, depending on the speed of things.
Maybe so.
Late lunch.
We cook in the sun oven. The chicken you prepped last night.
Yep.
Our oven is at 340.
340. Yeah, it's rising. It was 325 just a few minutes ago.
So we're gonna open it up.
You want to get a better view?
To get the chicken in. Simple
It's
as
a
that.
7-pound, 11-ounce chicken in an oven bag. This is hot.
Alright, we should probably realign it.
We opened it at, now it's back down to 320.
I can't be blocking your sun.
No, don't be blocking my sun.
The great thing about the sun. Great thing. Oh, she had it staked down. Why won't it move? Because it's staked down.
The wind was blowing earlier. I'm like, what is going on?
So every 30 minutes to an hour we'll come out and readjust it so it's facing the right direction.
Can you see the...
Yeah, so what we're looking at is inside of these.
Here, get it from this angle.
There is a
shadow and a dot
that shows the position of the sun. And we just try to keep that aligned so that the sun is getting the
dark
most...
spot needs to be in the center, as close to the center of the sunshine spot.
But the great thing, I mean, even if we left it in here all day and came out here after dark to get it, the chicken will not overcook. We've done this a few times and we've not had anything ever overcooking. It stays nice and dry and moist. Nice and moist. It's never
nice,
dry.
Dry and moist. Good.
Yeah, can't talk this morning, but always delicious.
And the carrots and celery, I just had extra, so I just threw them in the bag. It's stuffed. We stuffed it last night with them, but they won't overcook either.
Yeah, even the vegetables don't overcook. They're delicious.
Put everything in at the same time.
What spices did you put in there? We ground them up in the mortar and pestle and.
Yeah, salt, pepper, different poultry seasoning.
Put oregano in there, I think.
Yeah, and oregano. Just threw a bunch of stuff in that sounded good.
Whatever sounded good at the moment.
Yep.
Awesome.
And now it'll sit there and cook, and we'll come back later and see how it goes. Okay, it's time to get the chicken out of the side oven. It's been in here for quite some time. We've been turning it every half hour or so. And the window's all cloudy, and that, very hot. That indicates that it could be done, they say. Whew. This is going to be tricky. This would be a good time for this to be gone. But I don't think I can. Will that hold it?
No.
No, it won't.
Sit on grass. It'll be all right.
Kind of dookie though. Okay. All I really need is the
Take the whole rack.
yeah. May as well. So if the bag doesn't bust on the way in the house, and we'll be good. Now there's a lot of condensation that is in the bottom of the box down here. There's a hot water. Hot water. But it ended up at 200 degrees. All afternoon it's been around 300, 330. But it's 4 something. The sun's going down. We couldn't get it in the optimal position. And it's done anyway. So may as well just take it in. And I might put it in the oven for a few minutes to brown up the skin. And be ready for dinner. All right, good. All right, here we go.